Hi folks, I'm David Balkan of Balkan Sewer and Water Main, and I'm going to show you folks a little trick to how to verify that your fittings and your pipe are in alignment to how they're designed. In other words, this elbow is supposed to be a 90-degree elbow. Not all fittings are perfect. Not all threads that you make are perfect. But there's a way to check easily before doing your project, or for instance taking a plumbing test and there's an exactitude to it. This is a self-leveling tool, meaning if I hit this button, even if the vise and the pipe are not exactly at zero, I hit the red button and it resets at zero. So now, for instance, if I want to check out this elbow, an elbow is a 90-degree turn. How do I know that this elbow doesn't have a manufacturer's defect, that it's not at 90? Now, it doesn't have to be exactly at 90, but if it's, say, within, minimally off, I'm going to tighten that a little more. Not all the way, I'm not going to kill the fitting, but now if I take this same level, and it's supposed to be at 90, and I set it on my upright piece, it's at 89.7, not 90, but 0.3% will not throw off your project. I am not the final say on this, but if I was off by more than 0.5%, I wouldn't use the fitting. So that's how you can check fittings. But now, every time you thread a pipe, that doesn't mean your threads are perfect. So let's see what it looks like. For instance, I just threaded this pipe. And I'm not going to, as they say, kill the fitting. I'm not going to screw it in to completely tight, but I'm going to get it, almost hand tight. I'm going to take the same level. I'm going to put it on my pipe that is supposed to be at 90 degrees. And it's at 89.4. Now, that's not awful, but I might not want to use that pipe. Just out of interest, let's try the other side. $89.3, 89.0. Maybe I don't want to use this pipe because it's a degree off. Now, that's not a killer. Let's see what a bad pipe would look like. Now, I happen to know that this pipe is what's called cross-threaded, meaning the threads were not put on level. So I'm going to screw this in. Now, this is so off, you can actually tell by looking at it that it's really off. But let's try this one. Let's put this on again. Now, if you're going to use this in a project, this is reading 88 degrees. It's a full 2 degrees off. This goes in the garbage pail unless you would cut it off and rethread it. And that's the beauty of this tool. If you're doing a precise project, you can check every fitting, every pipe, you know your tolerances, you know your level of exactitude, and you can move forward with your project with real peace of mind for this super inexpensive, self-leveling, magnetic tool. I hope that helps somebody out there. Thank you.